You want to eat the best suya? Watch this video. Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be making this awesome, yumlicious, delicious and amazing suya. So in this video, we're going to be using beef and gizzard. Cutting the meats according to my preference. After that, we're going to wash and clean these meats. Add paprika, meat seasoning, Cameroon pepper, ginger and garlic, plain seasoning, peanut butter, sprinkle a little bit of olive oil, and then mix to combine. So at this point, we're going to be adding nutmeg. And after that, we're going to add soya mix. And after that, we're going to mix to combine this very well. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Now we are going to cover our meat with cling film and allow to marinate in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Let's prepare our veggies and spices. Slice your onions as well as your tomatoes. After that, we're going to cut our mixed peppers and cucumber. Yeah, that's it. So that's our preparation. That's how it looks. So I got some soya mixed here, and I went ahead and added some Cameroon pepper, some seasonings, and we're going to mix to combine. They're just same, just basically what you saw us mixed earlier. Adding some nutmeg, and after that we'll put that aside. Here we have already prepared meat out of the freezer. So here we have our washed skewers, and we're going to start inserting this mixture, this meat, into it. This process is very important. You don't have to rush when you're doing this. You can see how I'm doing this gently, and this is the outcome. So we're going to go ahead and rub some oil on them for that moisture. You don't want it to come out super dry. So yeah, rubbing some olive oil, and after that we're just going to sprinkle some soya mix we prepared earlier. A little bit of sprinkling, a little bit of oil. So you want to allow this process because we want everything to be well incorporated. So after this, we're going to place this meat on a baking paper or foil, just depending on what you have, and we're going to put this in the oven. Wow, look at that. If you haven't subscribed, or if you haven't given this video a thumbs up or comment, please do that now. I will really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Back in the oven, this meat is getting done, and it came out so good. You want to make sure you rub more oil and sprinkle some mixed spices, unless you don't want it to be spicy enough. So I make sure I do that, and here it is. This is so good. It's done. Again, I went in with some spices. It came out really well and beautifully done. If you like this video, please go ahead and share it to your friends, share it to your family, share it to anyone you want to share this video with. And don't forget to leave your likes and comment. Let me see what you think about it. Yeah, and I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay blessed. Bye bye.